The Butler Review would like to welcome you to our list of the best countertop ice makers to keep your party going. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying a refreshing drink, or just love having ice on hand, we've got the perfect countertop ice maker for you. Let's dive in. First up, our top pick for the best overall ice maker, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker with Side Tank. This model is highly praised for its nugget ice, high output, and self-cleaning capabilities. It's a bit of an investment, but its performance and reliability make it a top choice for any kitchen. Looking for great value? Check out the Igloo 26-pound automatic self-cleaning portable countertop ice maker. This budget-friendly model produces a good amount of bullet ice, making it a fantastic option for those who want quality without breaking the bank. For those with limited space, the Iceman by Chefman Compact Portable Ice Maker is the perfect solution. Despite its small size, it delivers a good amount of ice, making it ideal for apartments, dorms, or RVs. If you love nugget ice, the Cozy Countertop Nugget Ice Maker is a must-have. It produces chewable nugget ice that many people prefer for their drinks, adding a touch of fun to every sip. Tech enthusiasts will appreciate the Govee Life Smart Countertop Ice Maker. With convenient features like app control, this smart ice maker is highly rated for its performance and ease of use. Last but not least, our runner-up for best overall, the Luma Comfort Clear Ice Cube Maker. Known for producing clear ice cubes and boasting a high water capacity, this model is a reliable choice for frequent use. These ice makers have been tested and reviewed for their performance and reliability and user satisfaction. Depending on your specific needs and preferences, any of these models could be a great addition to your kitchen. Thanks for watching and happy ice making. And as always, the links of each product mentioned in this video can be found in the description below for the best prices.